What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is the part 2 of the teardown of the Impala engine. Let's get into it.
Alright, so in order to take these off, this is an 8, and then you don't have to worry about anything else other than just taking them off. And then once those are unthreaded, just lift this out. There's that. Make sure you don't, make sure you keep track of which one is longer and shorter. Like this one is longer, so we have this made up. As you can see, different sizes, so just make sure you don't get those confused, because in order to take the gasket off, you're going to have to remove all those rods, as you can see here.
For the compressor, there's 2 bolts on the top and then 1 bolt on the underside. You can't see the one, it's in the center, but this is how you take off the motor mount. You have to take the compressor off and just kind of let it hang just to take this motor mount off.
That's a big hunk of steel right there. Yeah, get started on those. I get these up here.
Talking to me?
What?
Talking to me?
I'm talking to the audience.
Oh, what's up, chat? How we doing? Hey, please don't break, please don't break.
Just in case if you were wondering, yes, I'm using the Icon rubber handle. Alright, as Chad's working on the back, or trying to at least, I'm going to try taking the front off, and I'm going to be warming on the bolts and so I can remove the actual exhaust. Here we go. I'm going to lower this so you guys can watch. Alrighty. Not the Ray-Bans.
I'm sorry, Garrett.
That's fine.
It's fine. This is both out.
Recording?
Yep.
Okay, that one's loose.
Yeah, I guess we can, this will work for now. Be careful with that oil. I can't see things, so just let me fire. You're just back there.
That means...
Here, well, I should probably actually really explain.
Yeah. Right.
So when you're taking the heads off, you want to do a reverse torque sequence. When you're putting the heads on, it has a torque sequence, that way you don't bolt it on weird. But when you're taking it off, you don't want to warp the heads even more than they already are. So, or, well, in our case, they already are because we have a blown head gasket. But when taking any head off, you have to do a reverse torque sequence just for overall safety of the head and making sure everything comes off nice.
Alrighty. What's funny is, sorry, everybody's about to hear me yap, but know how like actually somewhat simple this is. Like not the job, but like just the engine. It's like it doesn't feel like we've done a lot. I don't know. That's just me. Maybe because I've just been behind the camera. Viewers, but just kind of taking it nice and slow.
After you do a half turn, then you do a full turn on it, still reverse torque sequence, and then after that full turn, then you can go ahead and just pull them all out. But
all right,
you guys are going to want to watch me do that all over again a couple more times. So.
Oh, we broke the seal.
What are you talking about? Oh.
We got coolant. Got it? That one going this small? Nope, this one is. There we go. Now, oh wait, hold on. Get that out of the way. Hold on, sorry. Oh, let's do this. What is it? Detaching was? Yeah. Okay, pull up. Oh, hold on. Okay. Pull it out. I got it. Yeah. Yep. Whoa! Coolant galore. Alrighty. You don't want that in your cylinders.
The green stuff is NOS.
Now I do. Now I understand that people are sitting at home and be like, "Well, of course it's going to be filled. You just pulled it and it's dumped the rest in there." Yes, but
Not that much.
not that much. That's way too much. Oh man, it's going off so easy on the other side. There it goes. Oh, maybe not.